Hi, now you can get the Paleo Sweets book with dozens of delicious paleo desserts to satisfy every sweet tooth. Now you can indulge yourself and your family with decadently delicious paleo sweets and treats, without resorting to eating the same old every single day.
Giving up desserts completely or dealing with the bloatedness, the foggy-headedness, and the weight gain that comes with traditional sweets. Well, I have great news for you. It turns out you don't have to give up your favorite desserts. In fact, inside my cookbook, I'll show you exactly how to make fat-burning versions of all of your favorites. From paleo Oreos to caramel brownies, from chocolate cream pies to white chocolate macadamia nut cookies, I've paleofied all of these delicious recipes and I've compiled them for you inside of Paleo Sweets. That means that all of these recipes are paleo, which means no soy, no grain, no processed sugar, and never any processed ingredients. In fact, all of these recipes can be made completely dairy-free, so you never have to feel guilty about enjoying any of these treats. Now, inside Paleo Sweets, you'll discover delicious recipes like paleo snickerdoodles, pecan pie, lavender shortbread cookies, honey vanilla ice cream, flourless fudge brownie bites, and so much more. And today, I want to send you a free copy of Paleo Sweets. All you need to do is cover a small shipping and handling fee. Now, my publisher has only reserved a few hundred copies to give away for free, so make sure you grab yours today before they're all gone. All you need to do to claim your copy is click the Add to Cart button at the bottom of this page, and we'll get it out to you right away. Enjoy!